If you clicked on this video, you know exactly why you're here. I'm gonna break it down to you exactly how I have my air compressor set up. This has been highly requested by many in the comment section. I always get people asking me, how do you have your setup? So check this out. This is the air compressor. It is a 1/5 horsepower, not too much. It's perfect for what I need it for. This is from Central Pneumatic. You can get this from Harbor Freight, Amazon, anybody that carries Central Pneumatic. This costs anywhere from about $70 to $80. What comes with this is a braided air hose. This can be anywhere from about, let's say, 5 to 10 feet. It does have a 1/4 inch connector, which is standard for these small compressors. You can buy an extra one, which you will need to set it up to where you have a blowgun as well as an airbrush hose. You're gonna need 2 of these. I think this one's longer, this one's 10 foot. It's probably like about 5 to 7 foot, who knows? I'm not so sure. You need 2 of these. You need to purchase an extra one for about $10. It doesn't really matter how long they are, but I do recommend that you get the 10-foot one because this allows you to move around the chair. Anyway, I'm not really a big fan of airbrushing or enhancements. I just have this for the people that do request the premium services. Then you're going to need a blowgun. So the blowgun will run you anywhere from $2 to $4. So you're about $95 in now at this point. And like I say, this thing could be anywhere from $70 to $80. So it all depends. You're not really gonna break the bank. You're just gonna have to spend a little bit of extra money to set it up the way I have it. If you do have a siphon airbrush, this is a siphon airbrush. It feeds in from the bottom. That's what's gonna come with your kit, okay? So you don't need to buy this. Now, this is not the best airbrush, but it does do the job. You're not over here being, a Picasso or something like that. You're not, Michelangelo, whoever, but anyway, you're not Basquiat. Anyway, look, you got this. Will come with this style container. So you do, this is a gravity feed airbrush. Gravity is the one that you fill up from the top here, and you put your paint on the top, and the gravity takes the paint into the brush when you hit that trigger. So that's a gravity feed. So that's how you can tell the difference. You have gravity, you have siphon. You gotta make the choice on what you prefer to have. So this container is pretty cool. It does have this style container that you do feed from the side, and I do not recommend that for anybody. Don't do that to yourself. Anyway, we got this established. If your kit with your air compressor doesn't come with tape, you're gonna need tape. The tape will help you lock the air tightly. Then you're going to need a T connector that has both male and female ends. So how you can tell what a female end is, it's the one that has the threading in the inside. I don't know if you can see this, but I hope you can. The male end is the one that has the threading on the outside like this. So yeah, that's that. Also, you're gonna need this one, of course, which has both male ends. And mind you, all of these are about a 1/4 inch. There are a 1/4 inch, what am I talking about? So get one of these. This brand you can find, of course, in Harbor Freight. They're called Merlin brand. These are anywhere from $1 to $2, $3 maybe, I'm not so sure. It's been a while since I grabbed these. This will go in this end so that when you do get your air hose, like yellow 25-foot coil hose to connect my blowgun, which the blowgun is anywhere from $2 to about $4, to connect this to this end. Of course, you're gonna have to tape this, but I got sick of the yellow. I've been using this for some time now. I'm gonna switch over to a blue one just to upgrade it. I'm gonna put this aside. I'll put these together because I don't want this one anymore. I got a new blowgun. I'm gonna show you what that looks like in a second. Okay. Arguably, blue is my favorite color. I do like green as well. Not that that matters, but anyway. Just got these. So, upgraded version, 25-foot coil hose. Of course, from Merlin. Merlin has a good aftermarket quality that you can purchase. You know, this one is junk drawer. This one is from Central Pneumatic, so is the air hose gun. I think I picked this up from, of course, Outer Freight. Could have been Ace Hardware, Home Depot. You can go anywhere for these, you know, seriously. But yeah, it's quality. It still works just fine, but I'm just gonna put this away. I'll probably use it at home in my garage or something like that. Who knows? I did get this one in the kit, which I will show you everything that you need somewhere just floating around in the video. I will also list everything in the description below. But that did come with a kit, is what I'm trying to say, which I ended up putting all of that junk that came with it in this little casing. It sucks, but I'm never gonna use this stuff, but who knows, so I just kept it anyway. It may come in handy for something. I know I could probably inflate a ball or something like that with this one. Car tire, so I do got plenty of compressors at home. But anyway, it is what it is. Yeah, so I got my blow gun, got my air hose. I'm gonna do this really quickly and just pay attention. Part 2 coming soon. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. If you know somebody that may find this video informative, please share. If you don't have me on my other platforms, I am on Facebook, IG, as well as TikTok. Get me on that ASAP. I post content daily.